Hi everyone, my name is Kevin D. Monsanto from grade 11 STEM B, Wisdom. And I am here today to demonstrate on what to do before, during, and after the earthquake. Let's go! Let's imagine the earthquake is happening right now. What we are going to do. First is drop, cover, and hold until it stops shaking. Let's just say my hand is injured. What we are going to do. First, get a bandage or an t-shirt, wrap it up. Wrap it properly and seek immediate medical attention. Next is find a bag or a plastic, put all the important documents, the first aid kit, and the foods. Don't forget the batteries, charger. Next is go out. Get in the car. The next thing to do is go to the evacuation center and bring everything needs. Go.